Visual Studio is the IDE which you use to write the code and design the application. So I'm gonna teach you how you can do that. First of all, open your favorite browser and search on the address bar Visual Studio. After searching Visual Studio, then you can see here the official Visual Studio website appeared on the screen. You need to open the link, then you need to select the download for Windows. This is a Visual Studio IDE. You need to select the version. This is the latest version of Visual Studio. I select community version because I wanna use the version freely. Okay, now in this page you just need to wait a couple of seconds, then you can see here the type file scheme etc. You just click on the keep and then you need to wait a couple of seconds. Now you can see here Visual Studio community version has been downloaded on your computer. You need to click on it, then you need to wait a couple of seconds. Yes, and now the installation process will appear on your screen. Just a minute, few seconds. Okay, now you can see here Visual Studio installer. Click to next and you need to wait a couple of seconds. Now the first process has been completed, now the second process has been completed. Then you will see the packages of Visual Studio. So you just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys. Now you need to see guys, you are able to see, sorry, I close it because I want to show you some important thing. This is a community version, this is the enterprise, and this is a professional, but I'm gonna use Visual Studio free base. I mean freely. Here you can see a freely featured IDE for students, open source and individual developers. I'm gonna install this version, so I click on install. In this page you can see here many packages and many features do you want to include on your Visual Studio code editor. Visual Studio, sorry guys. Now you can see here if you want to install any package, you just need to check mark it. For example, I click on the .NET desktop development, I just need to click on it. Do you want to use another features or another packages like desktop development with C++, ASP.NET, web development, other development, Node.js development, Python, and many other packages available on this section. Now the next step is individual components. Do you want to include specific components? You can select anyone as you like, but I don't change it. Now the next is language packages. I mean language packs. So you want to change the language, you can select any one language as like, but in my case I select English. Okay, now once you have done the complete this process, now the next process is, do you want to install Visual Studio on your computer? This is your default path. C program files 86 Microsoft Visual Studio 2017 community. Do you want to change it? You can just click on dot button. You can select any one location as you like, but in my case I don't change it. Okay, now once you have selected all the features, location etc., you just need to click on the install button. Once you have clicked on install button, then you need to wait couple of minutes or couple of hours. It depends on your internet speed. So guys, I need to pause the video because it will take few minutes or few hours. It depends on your internet speed. So after completing this process, I will tell you how you can do the next process. Just a minute, just a wait. Now guys, once the installation has been completed, now you need to restart your computer. Then you will use Visual Studio Community version to develop the application and write the C# and many other C# codes in this editor. So just a minute, I restart the computer, then I will teach you in other ways. After restarting the computer, then you need to go on the start menu and search Visual Studio. So Visual Studio 2017, click on it, and then you need to wait a couple of seconds to open the Visual Studio 2017. Then you need to enter, you need to enter your Hotmail ID and password to log in the Microsoft account. I will tell you just a minute. Okay, welcome. Okay, now you can see here. So I clicked sign in, but I think I need to wait because the input text fields are not appeared on the screen. I just click on this. Okay, now you can see a sign in your account. So just a minute, I'll write my email. Next, and then I need to enter the Hotmail password, Microsoft email password. So I write the password and press sign in. Now you need to wait a couple of seconds to open the Visual Studio. Then you will use Visual Studio to develop the applications using C# or another language like Node.js and C++, etc. Right? So just a minute to open the Visual Studio. Now you can see here, this is my email. Okay, now this is your page, which type template you wanna use to write the code and develop the application. The default is blue. Now the second is blue contrast. Now third is dark, fourth is light. I use dark because I like dark color. So I click on start Visual Studio. Right, now you need to wait a couple of seconds, now few minutes. You can see it, this may take a few minutes. Now the Visual Studio will open. Okay, now you can see here, this is the Visual Studio 2017. You can use it to design and develop the application. For example, I create a project. I go to file, new, and select the project, and then I select the project like Visual C# and console. Okay, and click to OK, and then I check it to display the hello world. You know guys, hello world is a very popular word. Everyone developer using this word, so I tried it. Right, so just a minute to create the project on your computer, and then you will use it to develop the application, you know guys. Okay, just a minute. Now this is your console code editor default syntax. So under the script bracket, I write the console dot write line parenthesis double quotation, I write the hello world, and I need to write the console dot read key to hold the screen. Save it and run the project. Okay guys, just a minute, because this is the first time I open the project on the Visual Studio. Okay, now guys, where is the hello world? Okay, now you can see it guys, this is our hello world I have used on C# programming language. Basically I'm using C# programming language to display the hello world. This is all about how to download and install Visual Studio 2017 on your Windows 10, or you can use any other Windows like 7 8.1. You can use this method to install the Visual Studio on your